Hi dear friend, do you want to buy some D-lin for making the high quality bag? Look at our this D-lin. You can see these 4 pieces are made by placing machine with the island material, and all these fiber pieces are made by die casting machine with the zinc material. You can see this model is the flatter model, and this model is the round shape model. This model also round shape model. Whatever which model and whatever we do it by the pressing machine with island or do it by the die casting machine with zinc, you can see the plating result is very nice, and the folding connector position, closing position is very nice without any empty big gap, or we cannot see the pressing mark on this surface. So if you need such this high quality products, you can send email to us. For this zinc, you also cannot see any bubble on the surface. It's a very good die casting. Even I want to find the zinc liquid entrance position, I also cannot find it. It's very difficult to find the position because we polish it very good by hand polishing and plating by the hanging plating. Look at the function is like this, okay? And for example, I have another bag. Wait a moment. Look at like this one. You see? So it's very important for the plating. If it's not plating very well, then the color will be gone away quickly. Like this bag. Look at this bag. The color has been gone already. So buy one D-lin with the good plating is very important. If you want to get more details about these parts, you can send email to us. Thank you.